Hello, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Apply tutorial series. In this video, we'll be assisting you with adding a program to your application. Before selecting a program, check the program's deadline requirements to make sure your desired program is being offered. Then, confirm your eligibility by researching the appropriate program requirements and/or prerequisites and determine if you are eligible to apply. For graduate applicants, you may contact the program directly if you have any questions regarding your eligibility. It is your responsibility to ensure you are eligible. Okay, so we're going to click on the top here to add a program. And note that not all campuses will have programs available for all applicant types. If you believe the program should be available but is not, first check that you have completed your extended profile correctly. Here, use the filters to locate the programs you are interested in applying to. The available filters to help you in your search include campus, source, start term, and delivery. Programs that meet the filter criteria you've applied appear in a list with information about the programs that include program name, degree type, start term, academic year, location, and deadline. You would click the plus sign next to a program to add it to your program list. You must select at least one program to continue completing the application. If you want to remove a program and have only one selected, you need to add the second program before you can remove the first one. Continue adding programs as you desire. Congratulations on adding your programs and being ready to move forward with your application. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact our office with any further questions. We wish you the best of luck.